Okay, so I got a new idea. Oh, he has new idea. New but bad. I haven't told you guys where that comes from, right? No, I'll have to. It's very funny. Okay, I think I'm going to create something that's kind of like a boomerang, sort of. Right? So it's not going to fit on that same size base, but I want it to be about the same scale. So I'm going to draw one thing that goes out that way like that. Right? And then I'm going to do another one that's going to kind of come out this way. So we could say that that's kind of like a boomerang, or we could also say that it's maybe an L shape. So we could also do a Z shape or a C shape, right? Okay, but this looks like a pretty good choice, so I'm going to go ahead and hack this sucker up, fold it up. And you'll notice that this time I don't have a base to work from. I just sort of made it to where it's about the same overall length as this. It's just a little wider. But let me ask the question. Do I have an elongated form?
Yes.
Do I have acute and obtuse angles? Have I avoided right angles?
The bottom's a right angle.
Where?
I think got a right angle.
Here?
From there to there.
Here to here? No, absolutely not. Here, I'll prove it to you.
Break up my food.
Here. No, it's not, right? Nope. 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 I don't have any right angles on here. I'm not even close to a right angle. Okay? So do I have tapering forms? All of the forms are tapering. This is getting from narrow to wide, and this is going from wide to narrow. So I'm following all those rules, right? That we talked about in the video just a little bit ago. So here we go. Let's cut this sucker out. And I will tell you that this shape is going to require that I glue it down, because even though this one will stand up by itself, this one will not. It's going to be so front heavy, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to fold this thing so that this kind of is the highest point up, all right? And so instead of running it from this corner to that corner, I'm going to kind of run it a little bit off angle, okay? I'm going to make a crease on this side here. All right, and so there is kind of my ridge, right? And 2 1/4, I'll say for this one, I'll go 2 1/2. Okay, no lower than, let's change the rules. So no higher than 2 1/2, no lower than 1 inch. Okay? All right, so there's that. That's going to be up about 2 1/2. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this side to fold up, and I think I might get this one to fold up. I'm going to try an experiment right now. See? Oh, I have no idea. I'm going to try and create a reverse crease there. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Right? So now I'm going to take this corner. It's kind of sticking up, so I'm going to bend it down. So now I'm going to go this way. Downward cut.
See, now it looks like a stealth bomber.
Yeah, it does. Very much like the stealth bomber. And then I think what I'll do is, I think I'll tilt this one so that the front edge goes down. I don't know, maybe I want to break the rules. See how everything's coming to a point here? I don't like that, so I'm going to break the rules and kind of go over this way. Maybe I can go up with it. Yeah, you know, I can go up with it. I can take this piece and bring it up. All right, I'll try that. Okay, there's my canopy. All right, and so the next thing I got to do is I gotta kind of freeze it into place. And what I want you guys to notice is that I'm gonna, as I go freezing it into a shape, I'm kind of looking at how far off the ground it is. If you freeze this, if you just do this, you go, oh, it looks cool. Then you hold it back up here and it's like that. It's like too far off the ground. It's not going to work, huh? So you kind of got to think about, you know, all right, what's going to happen when I start to crease this thing? So I think I'm going to try and put more of a bend in here than over in here. All right? Give that a try. How many minutes am I at?
6.
6? Again, I'm still holding it here just to get an idea of like how everything's going to be, how far things are going to be off the ground. So, I almost glued myself to my model. That wouldn't be good. You'd have to cancel class and.
Dang it. It's a Saturday.
You got a thing about presenting, huh?
Oh, I hate presenting so much. No matter how loud I am, I hate it.
So this one's getting to be in danger of not having enough fold in it. This you can see the differentiation in the facets. This one's getting a little sticky, but sticky, get it? That was one of those bad jokes. I will tell you the story about, oh, you have no idea. New but bad. Okay, how many minutes am I at?
9.
9? All right, so there is my canopy, and I think that if I kind of hold it against the ground right there, I can see that I'm not going to go over 2.5 inches anywhere, and I'm not going to go under an inch if I do it just about like that. Okay? So I'm going to keep that one, but I need a floor form for it, so I'm just going to kind of make it a little bit bigger than what I've got here. All right. All right, there's my base for this. And so now it becomes just a matter of starting to build the triangles on the sides. Okay? You could, if you wanted to, do something with stilts if you wanted to hold it up while you figure that out, but not completely necessary. So what do you got for minutes?
10 seconds.
Okay, let's stop it.